Hey guys, for this video, we'll be showing you the quick test we did of the Osmo Mobile 3. We tested its stabilization, subject tracker, and battery life.
You can find links to skip to each section in the description box below. First, stabilization. I received feedback from someone that said even with the Osmo 3, the video is still quite shaky. So I made a comparison video to see the difference in the result between recording with the Osmo 3 and without it. You can see on the video that there's still a bit of shakiness with the Osmo, especially when you're like me who don't get too conscious about how you're holding the device, but it really has been minimized by a lot. We also tried using it in the car, where people usually shoot road shots for travel videos and whatnot, and the result is so much better with the Osmo. I shot this with the window down, and even with the wind going against us, the Osmo still did a decent job keeping the video stable. Second, subject tracker. Subject tracker is a cool feature you'll definitely use. Osmo 3 uses DJI's latest Active Track 3.0 technology for this. There are multiple ways of enabling this feature, but I only did the manual way and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is draw a box around the subject you wish to track on the screen and it'll start tracking. You need to be using the DJI Mimo app to do this. We tested the subject tracker on both still and moving objects, and as long as it is within the Osmo's pan, roll, and tilt limit, it'll be able to track or follow your subject. In this video, I put this tree as a subject and kept walking forward. The Osmo kept following it until the Osmo did a 180-degree turn. I didn't twist or turn the Osmo in any way during this test. I tried it on the front cam and put my face as a subject, and it makes the video look so much smoother. I didn't use the joystick at all to control the gimbal in these clips, as the subject tracker is very accurate. Lastly, battery. DJI claims that the Osmo 3 can charge from 0 to 100% in 2.5 hours. So I gave it a try, and when the Osmo ran out of battery, I charged it using a normal USB 2.0 port. When it stops blinking, it means it is fully charged. It took 3 hours, so I guess if you use the fast charge port, it'll be done in 2.5 hours. I also used its charging feature. My phone battery was on 0%, so I charged it using the Osmo. I made the mistake of not mounting a device in the Osmo and powering it on. As much as possible, when you power on your Osmo, make sure there's a device mounted to it. I would suggest to wait till the phone reaches 3 to 5% before you power on the phone, since it died again when I switched it on with only 1% battery. It did take around 5 to 7 minutes for it to reach 3%. Also, if you have a shorter cable or a 90-degree cable, that would be so much better. As you can see in the video, the long cable makes it look messy and quite distracting. Or you can also use a cable tie to make it look neater. I hardly use portrait mode when shooting clips, but if you do, you might find it disturbing with the cable hanging in front, especially when you try to use the joystick or other buttons. However, no disturbance at all when using the landscape mode, as the charging port is moved to the side from the phone, and DJI placed the USB port on the Osmo very wisely onto the right side. While recording for a few minutes, the phone battery stayed at 3%, having Bluetooth and mobile data both on, but it still did the job of keeping my phone alive. Are there any other tests you want to see using the Osmo Mobile 3? If so, let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time.